Hi, for today's Real Estate Minute, this one is going to be for you buyers. We know that in the current market, affordability is a big challenge. And that's what we hear about all the time on the news. And it's actually, I think, made buyers even scared to apply for a loan. So affordability is tough, but what does the data really show? If we're still finding homes and getting first-time buyers into homes, we're getting retirees into their perfect home. Maybe you haven't had a mortgage in 20 years and you see all this on the news and you're worried. What could that process look like? But let me send to you, just make a comment. I'll send to you the report that's from my coach, Buffini, on his bold predictions, which is showing you how buyers today are being able to afford homes, what loan programs that they're using to be able to make a move. Maybe you need to buy a home before you sell a home and you haven't had a mortgage in 20 or 30 years and you're wondering, how can it be that I could afford two homes? Well, we can talk about that. We can set up a Zoom and we can talk about what's your situation? How could a mortgage help you? Maybe it's just for a short term. Maybe you just need a mortgage for a year or two to help you with the move while we get your home sold. But I'm telling you, it's not as hard as the media is making it look like, and it's not as hard as the TikToks. We do have a lot of great programs that are out there. If you're a first-time home buyer, we have FHA programs. We have even USDA programs if you're going to be in a rural county in East Texas, may offer 100% financing. Your parents or your grandparents may even be able to gift you a down payment. And in this market, we have a short window of opportunity where we have some negotiable sellers that are even helping to pay down your interest rates to make the homes more affordable. Some are even willing to pay some of your closing costs. So it really is a more affordable time to buy a home than it's been in the past 5 years. So give me a call, give me a text. We'll set up a Zoom. We'll talk about your specific scenario that you have to buy a home. What does that look like? What are your needs? What areas are you wanting to move to? I've been in real estate now almost 30 years. I've had deep relationships with lenders. I can get you one that I think would fit best for your situation and will help you along the way. Whether you're able to take the opportunity for, we're in a short window of opportunity in 2025 where we've got great prices, we have great inventory, rates are down, and we have negotiable sellers. Or if we're going to have to look at 2026, which may not be as negotiable a market. So just let me know where you're at, what your thoughts are, and we'll plan and position you a strategy so buying a home feels more affordable and we can help you through it. So give me a call, 903-288-0910.